They say I'm too obsessed, that I care a little too strong. But she's a God-given treasure where my heart truly belongs. She's the blood in my veins, the echo of my own beat, flesh of my flesh, a miracle so pure and sweet. If I don't guard her world with love, who's gonna take my place? When storms come crashing down, who'll wipe the tears from her face? Tell me, will you be there for her when her skies turn gray? No, you won't stand by her side at the end of the day. I love her too much to just let her go. So you can talk your talk, and you can take your best shot, and you can say I'm